Behind me, the crews are wrapping up the West Fork Carvins stream restoration project. This was an in-house stream restoration project constructed by the Stormwater utility with the city of Roanoke. We are currently putting in the final plantings to promote healthy tree canopy and a healthy riparian buffer along our streams. Stream restorations aren't unique to the city of Roanoke. A lot of urban channels within localities across the country have issues with erosion, bank failure, especially when it comes to threatening infrastructure like the roads like Barnes Avenue that we're standing on, and also increasing water quality through the creation of healthy in-stream features and aquatic habitat for fish and bugs.
So right now we're planting many different varieties of trees for a riparian buffer. We have overstory trees such as oaks and maples, then understory trees such as pawpaws, dogwoods, eastern redbuds, all native species to this part of the state.
What's unique about this project, though, is that it is the first in-house stream restoration project that the Stormwater utility has performed. Not only is that empowering our staff with extra skills, experiences, and learned lessons on these types of projects, but also by doing it in-house, we're able to save budget-wise, which of course means we're being good stewards of our citizens' money when doing these kind of capital projects. Also unique about it is the first in the state to be performed in-house using the Stormwater Local Assistance Fund through the Department of Environmental Quality.
I was a crew leader, so I was in charge of the crew that did the job. We benefit because we help with erosion on the bank, keep it from going into the road. It was help wildlife in the river and also on the banks. It was experience to learn a new trait that we're not used to. It was dealing with the engineers, so they got to see what we did on hand versus what they do on hand.
We're trying to reduce erosion, trying to catch nutrients, sediments, pesticides runoff, and also, we're providing wildlife habitats, food for wildlife, and pleasing to the eye. Springtime blooms from the eastern redbud or fall foliage from the oaks and maples.
This project took about 5 weeks to construct. We did it during winter to line up with our spring plantings, which we're at the tail end of now. The key features were installing this imbricated wall right behind me to protect Barnes Avenue from further bank erosion, which of course increases public safety and of course vehicular safety as they cross near Airport Road. We also installed bankful benches to reduce the impacts of floodwaters to our streams. You can think of looking at a channel that's steeper and narrower. Anytime we get heavy rainfall, that water is shooting down that stream at high energy, which not only increases the erosion and impacts water quality, but also causes problems, flooding problems downstream for our local community. So we have created this open space that not only improves water quality, but it also is a spot now that floodwater can spread out and reduce its impact on our local community.
I'll probably have one of the top crew, in my opinion, that's flexible, willing to do anything, that works hard. Couldn't ask for better people. If you need something, they're on the spot with it.